There are two main stock exchanges in India, the Bombay Stock Exchange BSE and the National Stock Exchange NSE. These are vital components of the country's financial infrastructure. They serve as organized marketplaces where investors can buy and sell financial instruments like stocks, bonds, and derivatives. While both are critical to the Indian economy, they have distinct histories and characteristics. The BSE or Bombay Stock Exchange was founded in 1875. Its benchmark index is the Sensex, which is composed of 30 financially sound and well established companies. The BSE has the largest number of listed companies in India with over 5,000 listings. This includes a broad range of companies from large corporations to small and medium sized enterprises, also called SMEs. Then comes the NSE. The National Stock Exchange was established in 1992. Its main index is the Nifty 50, which tracks the performance of 50 of the most largest and most liquid companies in India. The NSE is known for its higher daily trading volumes and liquidity, especially in the derivatives market, making it a preferred platform for many active traders. So, what are the functions and roles of these two exchanges, which is NSE and BSE in India? Number one, capital mobilization. Both exchanges enable companies to raise funds from the public by issuing shares through initial public offerings or IPO. And as I have said before, this capital is crucial for corporate expansion, innovation, and job creation. Number two, providing liquidity. They offer a liquid marketplace where investors can easily and quickly buy and sell their holdings, giving them the confidence to invest. Number three, price discovery. The exchanges determine the fair and transparent market price of securities through the continuous interaction of buyers and sellers, which is a key function of any efficient market. Number four, economic barometer. The performance of their respective indices, which is Sensex and Nifty 50, act as a crucial indicator of the overall health and sentiment of the Indian economy. Number five, investor protection and regulation. Both exchanges operate under a regulation of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, also called SEBI. They enforce strict rules on transparency and corporate governance to protect investors from market manipulation and fraud. Number six, risk management. They have a robust clearing and settlement system that ensures transactions are completed securely and efficiently, minimizing the risk of default. Number seven, financial innovation. Over the years, both the BSE and NSE have introduced a variety of financial products, including derivatives, which is futures and options, and exchange traded funds or ETFs, catering to the evolving needs of modern investors.